Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to be looking at commonly used tools and features of Revu used for design review workflows, from different markup tools, tracking statuses, and assigning responsibility. We'll show you how to reduce risk and increase communication through your markups. So in design review, we want to make sure that we make clear and concise notes so that we're communicating with our team. And today I just want to show you a couple of tools that are most common for doing that. Next, we'll go to one of my favorites. I guess it is my favorite markup tool is our Callout Plus. With that one, you can very quickly draw a box around an area. Let's just select these rooms here, click and drag a box, and then you can place the note separately off to the side, and it will flash and ask you to type in that note. So put your note in there, click off of it, and there you go. So the reason this is one of my favorites is because it combines three different tools. We have a cloud, we have a leader, and we have a text box. And now this is all one markup. If I move that text box, the leader stays attached to it. So I can move that wherever I want to. And just lots of really clean opportunities for this markup to display what you want it to, showing the cloud and the note with that. So those are some popular markup tools. If you look underneath here, obviously there's more freehand pens, notes, different line drawing tools, shapes as well. Well, that's what I have for you today, a little quicker one this time around. I hope you captured some ideas to reduce risk and increase communication during your design review process. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.